So how hard is it to remove all this stuff if you wanted to go back to stock or change a look or use a different piece of vinyl? So I'm going to show you how easy this is. Remember, this is a two-part kit. So it has this back piece here that goes around the edge, and then it has the flat part. And this isn't heated up. I'm just using my nail. Once you get it started with a lot of vinyl, once you get the edges started, it comes off really easy. And the best part about this is it protects the paint. So the paint underneath will be perfect. No more scratches on it, no swirl marks, whatever, especially on dark colors. Does a great job, doesn't damage anything, leaves no residue. It's really the only key when you do this kind of stuff is use quality vinyl. I've used cheap vinyl a long time ago and it was a nightmare to try to remove it. It just comes off in little chunks and it leaves a residue on the surface. It's not even worth it. But this stuff, you see, it just comes off very easily. And then now you can just take the side piece here and then work that. And then take it off. Now this one's split here a little bit. It's okay. It'll all come off easy. Very quick to do. You can go back to stock, or like I said, if you want to rewrap it with a different color, easy to do, just like that. It leaves it perfect underneath. Look at it. No scratches, no residue. It's a little piece right here I can get out. And then you're good to go. Okay? So real quick, easy, no tools required. Hope everyone's doing good, having a great day out there, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks, everybody.